Coach, against the ball tayo. Isa na lang ang isang talo na lang na tayo.
Oh, pero we don't look at it that way. Ano namin is, we feel we can still take this all to a game 7. I'm happy with the effort of the guys. Makita mo yung effort ng mga players namin. Ginebra just shot the ball really well. Every time we get some kind of a momentum, pasok yung tres nila, meron pang mga 4. So, I think yun yung mga momentum stoppers dun sa laro namin. But I'm not really worried about our next game. Maganda pa rin yung vibes ng team, no, kahit natalo kami ngayon. No, I feel they're very positive still about the Sunday game. You can feel that meron silang kumpiyansa na makakabalik sila. So, to me, that's a good sign. Of course, we still need to solve yung mga problems namin na defensive adjustments. But all in all, we were hoping for a long series. Now it's a 6-game series. We might turn it into a 7-game series, which is yung objective namin from the very beginning. So this is still within our This is still within our objective. We just want it to be a long series. If it goes game 7, last man standing, tingin namin we can be fresher. Our rotation is longer, so a game 7 could be really advantageous for us. But first, we have to win on Sunday, of course. Pero maganda naman yung maganda yung vibes ng team. Kung usually matalo kang ganito, down na down sila, mararamdaman mo. But I did not feel that in this game today.